Hi, my name's Jenna and I'm a mom and a business owner. I stay busy all the time and I'm always looking for tips and tricks. So here are 4 different ways that I like to use my essential oils. Tip number 1 is I use it in my hair. I put a little bit on my hands. I usually use the lavender and I put it in the ends of my hair. I have very coarse and thick wavy hair, so it gets super frizzy on the ends. I love to use this because it smells great and it tames my hair. Tip number 2 is lemon oil. I like to put it on a Q-tip and use it on the edge of my sinks or any area that's got a lot of water spots or grime. It gets that off really quickly. Tip number 3 is I love to use my eucalyptus oil on my dryer balls. So I just get the eucalyptus oil and the wool dryer balls and I just shake some on there right before I throw them in the dryer. My laundry comes out smelling so amazing. Tip number 4 is I like to make my own custom room sprays for my house. I don't like harsh chemicals, so I like to make my own. I personally use a witch hazel and water combination with a few drops of my favorite essential oils. There's tons of different recipes online that you can find with different ingredients to make room sprays, to make the perfect room spray for your house.